Guys, welcome to my Boyax TV channel. How are you? Now, today we're going to take up a very important word in which we are usually using this every day. Do you know that when you're going to use a what we call participate, the word participate, we must also use a preposition in after the word participate. Okay? So when you're going to use the word participate in a sentence, do not forget to use also preposition in. For example, the students are going to the gymnasium in order to participate in the activity. To participate in the activity. So, that is how you are going to use the word participate. That participate, we should also use the preposition in. Okay, I hope guys you learned something from me. Thank you so much.